Hi friends, in this video we would study how to use the Textjoin function of Microsoft Excel. So here you can see that we are having four columns of text, text 1, text 2, text 3 and text 4. We would like to join them and get the result in the result column using the Textjoin function of Microsoft Excel. Let me show you how you can achieve that. So first we'll click on the blank cell in the result column and we begin the formula by typing equal to text join. Then we'll give a open bracket and first parameter of the text join is the delimiter. So delimiter is nothing but the separator which you have to give in quotation marks, which can be a comma, a dot or even a space. So I'll close the quotation marks, comma. Now, if you would like to ignore the empty cells or blank cells, then you have to type true. So I would like to ignore the blank cells, hence I am giving true. Then I give a comma, and now you have to specify the cell addresses of the cells to join. So I select this, then I give comma, I click here, then I give comma, I click here, again I give a comma and I click here. Then I finish the text join function and I close bracket and hit enter. And you can see the four text elements are joined, separated by our delimiter which we had provided, which was comma. Now we just copy the formula down and you will get the result. Notice in the first scenario, it has joined A, B, C, D separated by a comma. In the second scenario, it has joined the numbers separated by a comma. In the third scenario, it has joined the words separated by a comma. And in the last scenario, you can see that it has ignored the blank cells and produced the result. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.